Hi, welcome to Graphic 45. I'm Janus and I'm here to show you how I made these travel journal pocket inserts using the Princess collection. These will serve as the cover page for my travel notebooks. I used the 12 by 12 patterns in solids paper pad, the stickers, and the tag and pockets from the collection as well. I have a passport size journal cover here with me in rose gold color. I think this works perfectly with the collection. The size of my travel notebooks are 7 by 5 inches. So in order for me to have attached pockets for this project, I start off with cutting my paper into 7 by 10 inches. I fold it in half horizontally, open it back up, and once again fold it in half, this time lengthwise. To create my pockets, I just cut up a curved shape starting from the center where the folded areas meets, like so. Next is to simply provide gluing tabs. Since I don't like wasting too much paper, I made use of these extra strips of paper to create my gluing tabs. And this is the pocket insert, simple as that. Now it's time to decorate. I used some of the tags and stickers to create smaller slip-in pockets for added storage areas. I then used a sticker frame and placed it on a paper as my base, cut that up, and used a white foam sheet to add some dimension. You can skip using foam sheets if you want to go for journals that are flat and less chunky. I used some more stickers to decorate the bottom portion. Okay, so this part is simply optional. I love adding flowers to my projects, so I added a few here. But again, if you want to keep your pocket insert slim and flat, just skip this step. As for me, I don't think I ever owned a non-chunky journal, so this is something I always look forward to adding in my designs. Now this is my finished pocket insert. I'm assembling a few more of the tags and pockets for additional decoratives that I can place in my journal. Okay, so a little bit of a trivia for you on why I'm making this project. I'm using this as a journal that I can document my washi swatches. If you are into journaling, I bet you also collect washi tapes, and I wanted to make something where I can check my growing collection. So this is what this journal is for. Alright, Now I'm going to be making two more pocket inserts. So the first one I made has a 7 by 10 inch measurement, but I'm going to show you that you can create the pockets in varying sizes. This one is 7 by 9 inches where I folded the paper crosswise at 5 inches in height. That leaves 4 inches of the paper to serve as my pocket. This next one is 7 by 8, which 3 inches of the length serves as the portion of the pocket, and I just repeated the same steps as I did earlier. Okay, so these are ready to be decorated. I'm using some translucent vellum paper. You can also use tracing paper for this portion. And I'm using G45 script stamp, an embossing stamp pad, and rose gold embossing powder. And I'm creating a custom design on the vellum paper. I'm using this to create additional pockets at the front of one of these inserts. Yep, it's really all about pockets in this video. I'm adding just a few more stickers to embellish, and this is done. We are on to our last pocket insert. This one will simply be decorated with more stickers. And again, if you don't want too much dimensions and bulk to it, just skip the flowers and foam sheets I used on them. it's now time to assemble the whole journal. So I have here custom cut papers that I left loose and unbound because I just like pulling out pieces I want to work with, or whenever I feel like adding more pages, it'll be very easy since all I need to do is slip in extra papers. But feel free to stitch or staple yours together if that's what you prefer. Now before I end this video, let me show you a little flip through of the entire project. I added in some more embellishments like a journal topper here where I used a foam sheet at the back that is glued only halfway, leaving a flap underneath that I can slip in on the strings to keep it intact. Also, I'm showing you a sample of the washi swatching I'm going to be working with on this journal. And I added in decorative clips using the stickers, flowers, and the pearl gems. So yes, this is as chunky as any of my journals are, and I'll probably do another flip through of this once it's all filled up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe for more Graphic 45 inspirations. Bye!